Hello everyone, welcome to Weight Loss Revolution with Nutriorient. So our audience would like to know something about our sir Sumit Chadda, who is from Delhi.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Sumit Chadda. I am 45 years of age. I stay in New Delhi and I am an IT professional. I work in corporate in Noida.
Okay, sir. So what made you think that you need to lose weight?
So I have been an overweight guy throughout my life, Sneha. So and one day I was faced with a health problem. So my doctor recommended that I should lose weight, otherwise that health condition will worsen. So that day I made a resolve that I need to lose weight, and that's how I started this weight loss journey.
Okay. When you came to us, what unique did you find in us that made you join Nutriorient?
So the first thing, Sneha, was that your diet plan or your plans were very easy to cook. And you heard about our requirements. I came along with you, along with my wife, to you, and then you suggested some plans, and she was comfortable in making those, and those were not very complex plans. That was the best part. So she could help me in my weight loss journey by preparing those plans or food items, and then that was the best part. And the second point which I would like to say here is that at times we thought that something or one item or the other item would be difficult to cook, so we raised it to you and then you immediately changed it to some other item. So that was the best part. So we saw that flexibility while we came to Nutriorient, and that was the best part.
Okay, great. What is your thought process about diet and exercise? Do you think only diet will suffice or workout is also mandatory?
No, I think both of them are required. And as I have heard from a lot of people that the role of exercise is only 20%. It is 80% which is diet which matters in a weight loss journey. And that I am very clear, because I have seen even if I don't work out, but if I am eating healthy, then I tend to lose weight. So that I have learned in my life over the last 7-8 months. So that's very clear, and both of them are required. I understand though the role of exercise is only 20%, but you should not lose muscle after a age like I am 40 plus. So that is the important point. So yeah, I think both are important.
Great. And what message would like to give to our audience regarding weight loss or regarding your weight management journey, those who think that doing diet plans is very tough?
So I think a year back I also used to think that I cannot lose weight and it is very difficult to lose weight. But after traveling through this journey for last 5-7 months, I realized that you need to start. That is the first step. Like as they say that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.
True.
So I would tell everyone that you need to just start. Take a first step. Don't think about the end result, though you should keep your end result in mind, but you need to take a step every day and be patient with yourself, and eventually it will happen. That has been my learning. And the other thing there is one thing which I would like to add on, that don't compare yourself to anybody else.
True. That's very
It's your body, your rules, your weight loss.
Definitely.
So you should not compare your progress with somebody else, because then you will not be able to lose weight at all.
Definitely. Okay, sir. So now we will start a rapid fire one-liner question and answer with you. So what do you think, which is better, weight loss or fat loss?
I think fat loss.
Fat loss is better. Yeah. So what do you think, that weight loss loses your muscle mass or gains your muscle mass, and what is the funda like?
So weight loss definitely impacts your muscle mass. That is the reason why I joined gym after consulting you for a diet plan. And I think weight loss leads to muscle mass, so it is important to save your muscle also.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so second one-liner would be, what do you think, balanced diet is better or any other weight loss plans are better, like your crash diets, intermittent, or any other kind of diet plans?
No, I think balanced diet is important, because see, it is not that you need to lose weight once and after that just stop doing it. So it's a lifestyle. So you need to adopt the balanced diet so that you can sustain it throughout your life and be healthy.
Great. The next one-liner is, how many meals do you have in a day? 1, 2, 3 or 5?
I have 3 meals primarily, and then there are small two mid meals which you have recommended. So I don't know whether they should be counted as meals or no. But I think I consider three
Three
meals
main
only.
meals you have in a
Yes,
day.
yes.
Okay, so next, what do you like to tell to our audience that who think that weight loss is impossible without starving yourself, or you need to stay hungry all the time, or you need to compromise on your favorite food items? Is it so?
No, I have not realized that. In fact, I have enjoyed food as much as I used to do earlier before adopting the diet plans. And it is not necessary that you starve yourself for losing the weight, because you can just minimize the portion that you are consuming, and the weight loss shall be there. So I don't feel starving or keeping yourself away from food will let you lose weight.
Okay, and with Nutriorient, what do you think that how many kgs you have lost in what span of time, and is it the right way to lose your weight?
Yes, I have lost about 7 kgs in a span of 3-4 months, and I have never starved myself, and I have really enjoyed the items that you have recommended for the weight loss. And in fact, some of the items I have started loving, I am very fond of the avocados that you recommended in the diet. So couple of items I am really fond of. So that's it.
Great, great. And what multivitamins are you taking along with the diet, or it's simple diet that you are taking, the simple घर का खाना जो आप खाते हैं?
I am not taking any supplements or any multivitamins or nothing of that sort. I am just eating healthy diet. I am consuming a lot of fruits when I feel hungry, because if the portion is small, and if at times you have worked out and you feel hungry after some time, then I am taking some bhuna chana or some fruits like an apple or a banana, and that's about it. So I'm not consuming any multivitamins.
Okay, great. And what about the protein intake? आजकल ऑडियंस ये बोलती है कि आपको प्रोटीन शेक्स लेने हैं या आपको सप्लीमेंट्स लेने हैं अपनी प्रोटीन की रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल करने के लिए, तो क्या आप भी ऐसा ही सोचते हैं, या आप सोचते हैं वेज या नॉन वेज डाइट हमारी सारी चीजों को फुलफिल कर देती है?
I think diet is the most important thing. These supplements, whether in the form of a protein powder, protein shake, all that, I don't believe in these things. And I think whatever natural diet can give you, nothing else can give you.
Yeah, so you are against the artificial supplements.
I'm not pro of. Though my gym instructors have told me that, sir, why don't you try this protein shake and protein scoop? But I've never tried that.
Okay.
As I said, my body, my rules, my pace. That's
Great,
it.
great. And you're looking for long-term process to lose weight, or just a short-term goal, like another 2-3 months?
So my target is that I should reach my ideal weight in next 3-4 months, which is 75 kgs as per my height. And post that, I want to sustain my body weight at that level only, and I want to continue the diet plan as well as the exercise or fitness routine that I have.
Great.
So I want to make it a lifestyle.
Great.
Yeah.
Very nice talking to you, sir. So just another informative message that you would like to give our audience, or just a one-liner that motivates them, that diet is not about starvation. It's about, transforming yourself from inside out.
So I think weight loss journey is more about consistency rather than perfection.
Yeah.
That is the message I would like to give, that don't think that everything will be perfect and then you will start your journey one day.
Yes.
As I said, just start taking small steps every day and enjoy the process. That's about it.
Great.
And you will be there.
Thank you so much. It was very nice to have you, sir. And I hope कि हमारी audience इससे मोटिवेट होके कुछ अच्छा करे, कुछ अच्छा अचीव करे, एंड डाइट के फंडे को एक राइट वे में ले. तो गाइज, ये थी हमारी वेट लॉस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन विद मिस्टर सुमित चड्डा. इस वीडियो का फुल लिंक देखने के लिए हमारे यूट्यूब के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड फॉलो करें, एंड अपनी वेट लॉस जर्नी हमारे साथ स्टार्ट करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए नंबर डिटेल्स पर कॉन्टैक्ट करें.